Welcome to our How-To information video brought to you by Laois Offaly Education and Training Board, LOETB. This guide will explain how you can apply for a course at LOETB using the Further Education and Training Course Hub, also known as FETCH, F-E-T-C-H. You can access FETCH online at www.fetchcourses.ie. Before we begin, there are some things that you will need. You will need your PPSN number. You will need your mobile phone or email address and a device to access them. Please note, if you are using a smartphone, the screen layout on the Fetch website may look different. You may pause, rewind, or replay this video at any time. Please be aware, your Fetch account is a lifetime account, and it is linked to your personal public services number, your PPSN. Therefore, please make a note of your login details and store them somewhere safely. If you already have an account with fetchcourses.ie, then simply click Sign In at the top right-hand corner of the page, circled here in green, and enter your username and your password. If this is your first time using Fetch Courses, or you previously used a paper form to apply for a course, then please click on Register, also located at the top right-hand corner, circled in green. You can register using either an email address or an Irish mobile number. Whichever you choose will then become your username. You need to fill in all the required fields. When choosing a password, a minimum of 6 characters, upper and lowercase, with digits and symbols is required. Click the box that says I'm not a robot, then read and accept the terms and conditions and click Register. You will see these numbered 1 to 7, the numbers are in green. Please note, you will then need to confirm your email address or your mobile number. If your username is a mobile number, you will receive a confirmation text message. Enter the code received in the confirmation text box on your screen. If your username is an email address, go to your inbox to locate the confirmation email. Click on the link to confirm your email. If you cannot find the email, please remember to check your junk folder. You can now log in to Fetch and have access to the personal home screen and course finder, where you can check the status of courses you have applied for, as well as all course applications. Area 2, Course Finder, where you can search for a course. And finally, Area 3, My Details, where all your personal details are kept. If English is not your preferred language, please click on the person icon, number 1, shown on the screen, to open the ReachDeck toolbar. Once the ReachDeck toolbar is visible, click on the Translate icon, shown here as number 3. It can read aloud using the Play Stop button, and by clicking on the Translate icon at the top left-hand corner, you can translate into your preferred language. The ReachDeck toolbar is available on every page of the website. Your next step is to click on My Details, as shown here as number 4 in a green box. As a new user of Fetch, it's important that you fill in the My Details section accurately. The My Details section is broken down into 5 main areas: You are required to fill in the sections 1 to 4. Section 1 is general information. This section must be completed. Ensure you click the Edit button. It's circled here in green. Enter your details, and then when you have finished, click the Save button. This is the green button, also circled in green, at the bottom of your page. Under this section, please ensure that you click on the Data Protection Statement. This text is in blue and is underlined. This statement will open in a new window. Read it and click on the Accept button. This step is your agreement to share your data only for the purpose of the course you are applying for. Therefore, this step needs to be repeated every time you apply for a new course. 2 is social welfare. This section must be completed. Please hit the Edit button so you can enter your details. Then click the Save button. 3 is education. This section must be completed. Click the Edit button, enter your details, and then click Save. 4 is My Status. This section must be completed. Please click the Edit button, enter your details, and then click Save. Each of these sections must be completed in full before you apply for a course. Section 5 is the further details. This last section can be completed when you start on the course. The steps are the same as before. Click the Edit button, input your responses, and then click Save. Failure to complete all 5 sections could result in the offer of a course being withdrawn. In the future, you can update your details on Fetch at any time after applying for a course to keep your records up to date. The most common difficulties we have found when trying to log into Fetch is that you may receive what is called a duplication error message. This means there has previously been a Fetch account created with your personal public service number, your PPSN, or perhaps you've forgotten your previous login details, or you're now trying to use a different email or Irish mobile number. You are now ready to search for a new course that will suit you. In the Course Finder section, you can use keywords, course codes, course location, or sublocation to find suitable courses. Here, highlighted by the green arrows, you can see where you insert your search terms. On this slide, you can see an example of searching by location. So we have searched Offaly, and then the sublocations of Banagher, Edenderry, Mount Lucas, Birr and Ferban and Tullamore also pop up. Here you can see an example of searching by location in County Laois. And the sublocations come up: Abbeyleix, Laois County, Mountmellick, Portarlington and Portlaoise. When you find a suitable course, click on the course. Ensure you read through all the details and pay particular attention to key details such as entry requirements, course location, timetable, course content, and any other details about the course. You can see here that this course is an ESOL Level 3 Communications course. Its location is Tullamore FET Centre. If you wish to apply for the course, click on the Apply Now button, seen here circled in green. Once you have applied for a course, you will be brought to an expression of interest form. Please read the form and fill in the important details. On the Expression of Interest form, read and accept the Data Acknowledgement Statement via the pop-up window. Click Apply Now to submit your final request. Once your application has been accepted and verified, you can check the status of your applications through the My Application section and also review details to ensure all sections are completed. This video comes to you with the compliments of the Laois and Offaly Adult Literacy Service. Best wishes with your course.